Nice of you to lend a hand in picking out the fireworks for tonight, Sam.
Yup, I bet it was. And the best part was, I even had some extra pocket change to buy us an extra box of firecrackers. Of which I have never heard of before.
Wait, you actually decided to use your pocket change for something?
Yeah. Kinda thought we could use more exploding fun, so I opted to buy this box of 36-piece firecrackers as extra.
M150? Quite a name for a brand of salute crackers.
I know, right? But, as you'll see from the box, they are said to have a maximum blast, best to keep a distance, and are very, very loud. Not like it matters cause we don't have ears.
Well, that's a very interesting choice. I'll give you credit. Wait, Sam.
Yeah?
Those M150 firecrackers are actually fake M80 counterfeits. We must dispose of them ASAP.
There. I lit the box on fire. They should burn off easy.
Sam, lighting the box on fire isn't the proper way of disposing firecrackers.
What? It's not?
Of course not.
Oh. No, I can't believe I just did that now. It's already too late. Why must we thanks be so frequent?
Ouch. I feel so much pain I think my limbs stopped working.
Ditto.
Sam.
Yes?
I implore you to always do your research before buying anything that was manufactured by a different country.
Okay, I'll save that to memory. I wonder if the others made any progress.
No, we're not stooping that low. That joke was already made once, and I'm not about to have us be seen as copycats. Can I help you?
Teach me your ways. I must know every way to eradicate those numbers, if necessary.
Nah, now's not the right time. You're not as skilled as I am.
This would definitely count towards a fourth wall break. But I'll give you a pass, as you stopped what would have been another number invasion.
And they said resistance was futile. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm heading off to the realm of reality. My family need me. And maybe I could study up on traveling to other universes while I'm at it.
Hey, think we should go for some spark sticks instead?
Sure. At least we'll have a better chance at getting something official.